Students, let's discuss exercise 8.4. First sum. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. Actually, we need to express the trigonometric ratio sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. Okay. So already we know that cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Here that angle we took A. Actually they given A. So cosecant square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay. So that cosecant square A we can take reciprocal. So we'll be get 1 by cosecant square A. Okay. Equal to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. So 1 by cosecant square A we know that is sine square A. So for that purpose only here we took that is cosecant square A. So cosecant that is inverses sine. Okay. So sine square A equal to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. Actually here we need to find out the ratio of sine A. So sine A equal to square if you transpose right hand side plus or minus square root of 1 divided by square root of 1 plus cot square A. So directly we can take 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay, so plus or minus. So already we know that if we added two positive quantities will we get positive only. Okay, in the right angle triangle actually we took the measurements, the distance, so that is always positive. So neglect that negative value. So sin A equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square A. Actually we need to change in the term of cot A. For that purpose only we took sin A equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay. And next we need to prove that secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. Okay. So tan A equal to 1 by cot A. Okay. So tan A that inverse is 1 by cot. So directly we can change it as in terms of cot A. And the next one we need to change it as that secant into cot. So for this here we can use the identity secant square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. Okay. So here this square directly we can transpose to right hand side. Okay. So before that 1 plus this tan square we need to change it as cot square. So inverse of tan is cot. So 1 by cot square A. So for that students you must know the identities. So 1 plus 1 by cot square A. And the next take LCM. LCM is cot square A. So multiply 1 into cot square A. Cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. And the next the square transpose to right hand side. So we'll be get secant A equals square root of cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. Okay, so the square and square root will be cancelled. So for that purpose only here we took square root of cot square A plus 1. Here we can't remove, okay, because cot square A added with 1. Okay, so the answer is secant A equal to square root of cot square A plus 1 divided by cot A. Students, let's discuss exercise 8.4 second sum. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. So we know that cos A equal to 1 by secant A. Okay, so inverse of cos A is secant A. Okay, so here directly we can take then the remaining ratios sine, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. We need to change as secant. Okay, except secant. So remaining that four ratios we need to change as secant. So the first one already we know the identity is sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So here this sine we can change it as secant. So sine square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. The square, if you transpose right hand side, that will be square root. So square root of 1 minus cos A, we know that that is 1 by secant A. So here itself we change it as secant and expand this one. So 1 divided by secant square A. So if we take LCM, we'll be get secant square A minus 1 divided by secant square A. So square and square root will be cancelled. So remaining square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. So here we found cos A and sin A. Next we need to find out tan. So for the tan, we know the identity is tan square A plus 1 equal to secant square A. Okay. So for this identity, if you transpose plus 1 to right hand side, will be get secant square A minus 1, or directly you can write tan square A equal to secant square A minus 1. Okay. Then here that square transposed to right hand side. So will we get square root. So square root of secant square A minus 1. Next we need to find out that cot. So cot already we know that. So cot we can take it as cos by sine. Or one more option will be there, 1 by tan. Okay. So cos by sine. So cos theta is 1 by secant A divided by sin A, already we found square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. Then the secant A, secant A will be cancelled. If we take reciprocal, then the remaining will be get 1 divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. Or else directly you can take cot A equal to 1 by tan A. So tan A, you know that square root of secant square A minus 1. Okay, that concept also you can apply here. And the next one is cosecant A. So cosecant equal to 1 by sin A. Sin A, we know that what is sin A? Square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. Sin A will be denominator. Okay. Then take reciprocal. Here you will be get 1 divided by secant A by square root of secant square A minus 1. For that, if you take reciprocal, you will be get secant A by secant square A minus 1, because that is inverse 1 divided by sin A. Okay.